touch with people and done the daily walk, and one or two blips feeling down, but I pulled myself back up again. I've been getting my shopping with my neighbour. She managed to get one of those regular slots, but you have to confirm them 2 days before, otherwise you lose it. Well, for that week anyway, but if you do it twice, you lose it altogether. And she had a bit of a funny turn, so she forgot to do it this week, which meant with no shopping coming. I said, it's all right, I'll go to the supermarket. I haven't been since lockdown started. So I got my mask and my gloves and sanitiser and an extra pair of gloves and an extra mask. Went to the supermarket, joined the queue all around the building, which was okay because I was social distancing. Got to the door, wiped the trolley with the sanitiser, which they provided, which was very good. One in, one out. Great. Went in, they'd marked the floor with arrows, so everybody was going in one direction. Great. No risk of bumping into people, and yeah, the apprehension had eased off somewhat by now. I'd been on a couple of aisles, and as I was turning the corner for the next one, this woman came right at me. She was going the wrong way. We crashed trolleys, and she said, I'm really sorry, but I'm a bit confused today. I said, it's all right. I'll probably do the same thing. No harm done. Went up the next aisle, which was the cheese aisle. There was only 2 people on there, which was good. So I went in by the cheese I was after and stood looking for a while, choosing. Looked up and there's 6 people on the aisle. And there's a man coming towards me. He was going the wrong way. I thought, I'll just reverse off the aisle till he's finished and go back on when it's quieter. But I couldn't because there was a woman behind me and she wasn't moving. And then there was another woman came and stood next to me across the aisle. And I knew that when the man came down, there wouldn't be enough room to get past. Oh, and all my anxiety started and my heart started beating really fast and I felt sick. And I know I shouldn't have felt like that, but I couldn't handle it. So I just left my trolley and I ran out to the store. I felt so stupid. And I was outside and my heart was beating out of my chest and I couldn't get my breath properly. And I heard a little voice say, are you all right? Do you need some medical help? I said, no, thank you. I'm just frightened. She said, it's all right. She was an assistant from the store. She said, don't worry, we're plenty of people like you. Just I get frightened too. I know more customers come than I can handle and get a little bit anxious, so don't worry. I explained why I come today. And she said, have you got lists for you and your neighbour? Yes, I have. She will give them to me. Go and sit in your car and I'll come and knock on your window. She didn't need to do that. It wasn't policy that you had to do that for someone. It was just her being kind. And sure enough, she knocked on my window sometime later. You can come in and pay now. And that's all I had to do, was to go in to the self-service checkouts where she put everything through, just waited for me to pay. Well, there's nobody else there. The kindness of some people. Just one example from this terrible time we're in. My angel for the day. And I'll never forget her.